Hi everybody and welcome back to the hard reset info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily enable or disable the clipboard permission for your SOUNDCORE Select 2S speaker. So firstly you need to have the application installed. This application is called the SOUNDCORE. And then you have to tap this gear icon in the top right corner. Here you have to find the clipboard permission. You can enable this clipboard permission by tapping on this switch. If you want to disable it, tap again on this switch here. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye, have a nice day!